shot. Hi.
Hi.
So what's today?
Sunday Fun Day.
Yeah. So Sunday Fun Day is going to be our new series on our channel where we do something fun outside. Like coming up on Sunday Fun Day, we are going to go to go-karts and bumper boats, right?
Why?
Or we're going to go to a giant slide on the beach. A giant water slide on the beach, right?
Why?
So what do people have to do so they don't miss our new series? They have to subscribe, right?
Why?
So hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our new series. And today we have this boat race. And the Paw Patrol. Can I hear your best villain laugh? Perfect. All right, and the Paw Patrol is at the lookout.
That's the chickaletta. I'm not chickaletta.
So here's Zuma. Meow. So close.
Yeah, him almost got on me.
Zuma almost got you. It's gonna get you next. Or let's take to the sky. Oh no, Chickaletta fell in the water. Sky's gonna get you. Oh, Sky almost got you.
One of them.
What are you scared?
Yeah.
Ah! Zuma better get out of the water. Zuma's gonna hide up here where it's safe. He's gonna wait up there until your villain dinosaurs go away. We're gonna send Everest after you. Pew! Oh, that was so close.
Yeah, I am so fast.
Let's see the boat go. That boat is pretty fast. Let's see who's gonna go after you next. Marshall says, I'm fired up.
Yeah.
Oh, that was so close. You're very good at evading the Paw Patrol, but not for long. Alright, it looks like Chickaletta has gotten somewhere safe and the Paw Patrol are surrounding her, but we still have to get Villain Alicia. Villain Alicia is still on the loose. So next, Rubble on the double. He's gonna get you. Oh, you're so close. Oh! You still got away. Chase is on the case. Oh no, you went the other way. Boom! Oh! Chase got you. Oh, but the boat's still going. Chase, that was close. The Paw Patrol is closing in. They're all waiting up here for you. Rocky says green means go. Where is Villain Alicia? We're gonna get you. Pew! Ah! So close. Ryder is our only hope. Come on, Ryder. Paw Patrol is on a roll. Let's hear your villain laugh. Oh!
I told
Villain
you.
Alicia is still on the loose. My only hope is a missile. Here's a missile for Paw Patrol. We're gonna get Villain Alicia with our missile. Oh, I got her! An explosion. Chickaletta floating on her lily pad waiting to be saved by the Paw Patrol.
Yeah.
And we've got Alicia who's controlling the Paw Patrol.
I got her!
Oh no! Who do you have? You have Marshall?
Yeah.
He says, I'm fired up. Oh, Marshall, that was so close. Marshall goes up here. All right, who do you got now?
Everest, him says, rain and snow, I'm ready to go.
You can't have her. She's mine.
Oh, look what you did. You got
I'm
her.
not down.
She's going again.
I got Sky and Heart says, Pups, it's gotta fly.
This pup's gotta fly. All right.
I'm gonna try
Get
to
her.
knock it.
Get her. Oh!
Got her.
You did. You got her, but she's still going.
I got
Okay, who do you
Zuma.
got now? Zuma. What does Zuma say?
Let's dive in.
Let's dive in. All right, Zuma. Let's see what you got, Zuma.
Okay.
Go. Oh, that was a good shot. You got her.
I got her 2 times.
Yeah, she's still going though.
I got
Who do you
Rocky.
got now? Rocky?
Yeah.
Rocky says green means go.
And I'm gonna get her.
Go. Oh.
I got her.
You got her.
I got her 3 times. I'm good.
You are good.
I got Chase and him said Chase is on the case.
Chase is on the case.
I'm gonna get her.
See what Chase can do.
Chase. I could get you. I could get you, my.
Oh.
Wait.
Oh, that was so close, Chase. Come on, Chase. Gotta get up there with the rest of the Paw Patrol.
And now
Oh no, she's going after Chickaletta. Who do you got next?
Rubble and him says Rubble on the double.
Rubble on the
I'm
double.
gonna
See
get
what you got, Rubble. Oh, that was a really good shot. All right. Rubble's up there with the rest of the Paw Patrol.
And the wider.
Chickaletta still needs to be saved. Ryder says Paw Patrol is on a roll. Oh! Right, all right. Ryder's up there with the rest of the Paw Patrol. Now it's up to the missile. Let's see what you can do with your missile. Oh! Giant explosion!
Yeah.
Victory dance! Yeah!